In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the devices logged in using Zoom account. This is a quick but important check that helps you see exactly where your Zoom account is active, so you can keep your meetings and messages secure. We'll do this from the Zoom website on a desktop browser, since the web view gives you the clearest overview. Start by opening your browser and signing in to your Zoom account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the page for the navigation panel and select My Account. This takes you to your account dashboard, where all your personal settings live. If your window is narrow and you don't immediately see the left panel, try expanding your browser or clicking the menu icon to reveal it. The goal is to get into the main account area before moving into your personal details. Next, head into Profile. You'll find it in that same left panel under your Personal section. The Profile page is where Zoom keeps your basic information, like your display name and picture, as well as several security and activity details. This is the right place because the device and session information is grouped with your personal account data. Now, scroll down the Profile page until you reach a section labeled Where You're Logged In. Give the page a moment to load, especially if you have multiple sessions or devices. Here, you'll see a list of current and recent sign-ins tied to your account. Entries may include the type of device or platform, such as desktop, mobile, or web browser, the operating system when available, the time of the last activity, and sometimes an approximate location based on IP. If you've used Zoom from more than one browser or device, you might see separate entries for each, which is normal. Take a careful look through this list and make sure every device and session makes sense for you. For example, a work computer, a home laptop, and a phone would each appear separately. If you recently used a public or shared computer, you might also see a session from that machine until it times out or you sign out there. Keep in mind that it can take a short while for the list to update after changes, so a quick refresh can help if you just closed a session elsewhere. As a best practice, review this area periodically. If something doesn't look familiar, consider changing your password and enabling two-factor authentication for extra protection. And that's all there is to it. You've found where to view the devices logged into your Zoom account.